We are going to study about the facial nerve. First we will discuss about the internuclear course of the facial nerve. The facial nerve has the three nucleus. One is facial nucleus itself, that is a motor nucleus, and another nucleus is nucleus tractus solitarius, which is carrying the sensory information from the anterior two-third of the tongue, and another nucleus is superior salivatory nucleus, which is a parasympathetic nucleus supplying to the lacrimal and submandibular and sublingual glands. First we will see the coarse internuclear course. Here you are seeing the facial colliculus. In this facial colliculus we doesn't have the facial nucleus. We have here abducent nucleus and the facial nerve which is looping around the abducent nucleus. Here it forms the loop around the abducent nucleus and emerges out in the pontomedullary junction. Here this is the origin of the facial nerve. It emerges out from here. This is a sagittal section of the body, and you are seeing this is the internal acoustic meatus. Facial nerve, after emerging out, it goes through the internal acoustic meatus. This is the internal acoustic meatus. After emerging out of the internal acoustic meatus, it forms one ganglion that it is called as geniculate ganglion. Geniculate ganglion gives two branches. One is parasympathetic branch, that is the greater petrosal nerve, which is going to the pterygopalatine ganglion through the pterygoid canal, and it is greater petrosal nerve will also accompany the deep petrosal nerve, which forms the sympathetic plexus around the internal carotid artery, and it gives another branch from the geniculate ganglion, that is facial nerve. It descends down into the middle ear cavity, and in the middle ear cavity it gives the two branches. One is the PDS and another one is chorda tympani nerve. The chorda tympani nerve will go to the lingual nerve, and it will go to the take the taste sensation from the anterior two-third of the tongue. After it goes to the stylomastoid foramen, and in the stylomastoid foramen, it after emerging from the intra-ear stylomastoid foramen, it gives two branches. One is the posterior auricular nerve and another is the facial nerve itself. It is going to the parotid and pierces the parotid gland and supplies the muscles of facial expression through the five branches. Here posterior auricular nerve gives the muscular branches. That muscular branches are like posterior belly of digastric, stylohyoid muscle, and auricular muscles and occipital muscles.